ChatGPT4 is the latest version of the large language model trained by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. By combining natural language processing, machine learning, and state-of-the-art neural networks, ChatGPT4 is able to understand and respond to humans in an unprecedented way. In this video, we will be exploring the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT4 that make it a powerful tool for natural language processing and communication. So, before we start, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on notification to get you updated on our future videos. What is ChatGPT4? ChatGPT4 is an advanced natural language processing (NLP) technology developed by OpenAI. It is an extension of GPT-3, the world's most powerful AI language model. ChatGPT4 allows users to have conversations with a virtual assistant using natural language. It can generate responses based on the user's input, allowing for meaningful conversations. It also has the ability to learn from conversations, getting smarter over time. ChatGPT4 is a powerful tool that can help businesses automate customer service and other tasks. By leveraging the power of AI, ChatGPT4 provides an easy way to increase efficiency and reduce costs. With ChatGPT4, businesses can quickly respond to customer inquiries without needing to hire additional personnel. This will enable companies to focus their efforts on developing new products or services rather than answering basic customer inquiries. Additionally, companies will be able to easily tailor customer experiences based on specific user needs or preferences. For example, if a customer frequently asks about shipping times, the chatbot could provide answers tailored specifically for that individual situation. Now let's look at the incredible features. 1. Enhanced language capabilities. One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT4 is its enhanced language capabilities. The model has been trained on an enormous amount of data, allowing it to understand and generate more nuanced language than previous versions. It can understand idiomatic expressions, idioms, and colloquialisms, making it even better at understanding natural language conversations. This means that ChatGPT4 can understand language in a more human-like way, and can even generate responses that sound like they were written by a human. For example, it can identify and respond appropriately to sarcasm or irony in a conversation, which is a difficult task for many natural language processing models. ChatGPT4's language capabilities are also highly adaptable. It can learn and recognize new words or phrases, which means that it can easily be updated with new vocabulary. This makes it a highly useful tool for businesses or organizations that deal with highly specialized or technical language. 2. Improved response time. Another key feature of ChatGPT4 is its improved response time. The model is faster and more efficient than its predecessors, meaning that it can process and respond to queries at lightning speeds. This is especially important in scenarios where timely communication is critical, such as customer service interactions or real-time chat conversations. ChatGPT4's improved response time is due to several factors. One is its highly optimized architecture, which is designed to maximize processing speed while minimizing computational resources. Additionally, ChatGPT4 is capable of handling multiple conversations simultaneously, which means that it can respond to queries from multiple users at once without any delay, making it a valuable tool for customer service or other businesses that require quick responses. 3. Customizable responses. ChatGPT4's customizable responses is another impressive feature that sets it apart from previous versions. With ChatGPT4, users can create their own custom responses for specific phrases or questions. This means that businesses can tailor their responses to customers based on their needs, making the interaction feel more personalized and increasing customer satisfaction. Customizable responses are especially valuable for businesses that frequently receive the same types of queries or questions. For example, a customer service team might receive many questions about product returns or shipping times. With ChatGPT4's customizable responses, the team can create specific responses for these queries that provide accurate and helpful information. In addition to creating custom responses, ChatGPT4 also offers the ability to personalize responses based on user data. For example, a chatbot might recognize a returning customer and tailor its responses accordingly, such as by addressing them by name or referencing their previous interactions with the business. 4. Multilingual support. Another impressive feature of ChatGPT4 is its multilingual support. The model has been trained on a diverse range of languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and many others. This means that ChatGPT4 can understand and respond to queries in multiple languages, making it a highly valuable tool for businesses that operate in global markets. With ChatGPT4's multilingual support, businesses can communicate more effectively with customers who speak different languages. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and build stronger relationships with customers in different regions. Additionally, it can also help to streamline communication within multinational organizations by allowing team members to communicate with each other in their native language. Furthermore, ChatGPT4's multilingual support is highly adaptable. The model can learn and recognize new languages, making it an excellent choice for businesses that operate in regions with unique or lesser-known languages. 5. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT4's improved accuracy is another impressive feature that sets it apart from previous versions. The model has been trained on an even larger dataset than previous versions, allowing it to understand language with greater precision and accuracy. ChatGPT4's improved accuracy is due to several factors. One is its advanced neural network architecture, which is designed to optimize the accuracy of the model's predictions. Additionally, the model has been fine-tuned using state-of-the-art techniques, which has helped to further improve its accuracy. The improved accuracy of ChatGPT4 means that it can generate highly relevant and useful responses to user queries. This is especially important in scenarios where accurate information is critical, such as in healthcare or legal settings. Furthermore, ChatGPT4's improved accuracy also means that it is better at detecting and correcting errors in user queries. For example, if a user misspells a word or uses incorrect grammar, ChatGPT4 can still understand the intent of the query and provide an accurate response. And that's it for today's video. We hope that you've learned something new and gained insight into the capabilities of this powerful language model. ChatGPT4 is the latest version of the GPT architecture, and it's designed to deliver even more advanced language processing capabilities than its predecessors. With its ability to generate natural language responses that are indistinguishable from those of human beings, ChatGPT4 is poised to revolutionize the field of conversational AI. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT4 or exploring how it can be used to solve real-world problems, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're always happy to answer any questions you may have and to help you get started on your journey toward unlocking the true potential of ChatGPT4. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.